It has happened to many of you that in YouTube Studio, the view time is one number, but in YouTube monetization, the view time of videos is 0. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to add your Prime watch time in less than 1 minute in monetization section. You enter YouTube Studio. If you have a phone, just type the name of YouTube Studio in Google and enter with desktop mode. When you enter the YouTube Studio, click the option at the bottom of the settings. When you click the option, a window will open for you, and you first take a screenshot of the monetization section of your channel and click on Allow. And then tell your problem. For example, I write, update the watch time section for me. After writing, click on Confirm, and it will take at least 48 hours for your original watch time to be added. If you have seen the video up to this point, be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. You are doing me the biggest favor,